your homework? What's in a atom? So what is like the major components in an atom? Okay. Yes, Lincoln, go ahead. What's in the middle? How about that? What's in the nucleus?
The neutrons and protons.
Neutrons and protons. What's on the outside, on that orbit? Yes, Calvin. I'm sorry? Electrons. Okay. So this is what your model should look like. So you should have what inside the nucleus?
The protons and neutrons.
The protons, and protons have a what charge?
Positive.
Hold on. Protons have a what charge, guys?
Positive.
Okay, and neutrons have a what charge?
Neutral.
Yes, okay. And electrons have a what charge?
Negative.
Now, can electrons ever go inside the nucleus?
No.
Wait, they can't. No, they can't. They're not allowed in the nucleus. They have a negative attitude. So, why do they stay on the outside? Are they moving slow?
No. Wait, no.
You know,
Yeah.
they move fast or slow? Fast. They're going super duper fast. So that's how they stay out there. And what's causing them to go so fast?
The orbit. The positive charges.
So yes, it's the attraction of the positive and negative which causes it to move very fast. Alright, so make sure you have this P here so you know what you drew. So you know that your protons and your neutrons are inside your what? Yes. Okay, and then that your electrons on where?
On the
Outside. Do you all remember how many could go in the first ring?
8, 3, 2.
Say 4. 2. Okay. Hope you're not leaving, but just answer the office, please. Just go to answer the office, you'll be back. Okay. So.
How many?
Yes. How many goes on the first ring?
2.
Okay, and then on the next one?
8. 8. No.
That's on the third one, or the second one. Pull it up here.
The third one is 18.
Okay. So does everyone have this copied down? I mean, I looked at you all homework. You did pretty good as far as the labeling the protons and neutrons. Don't let that confuse you here, because we're going to first ring. Only 2 can go on this first ring, guys. Okay. So yes, I went a little deep yesterday. I said a lot of y'all were confused, so that's why we're just reviewing. Copy it down. There you go. So we have here, what is this?
It's a proton.
What do you have here?
An electron.
Cameron, what's right here?
Protons. Neutrons. Electrons.
Electrons have a positive charge?
No. Positive. Negative. No. Neutral. Negative.
Okay, so we're just going to practice with this for a little bit, and someone asked, do you have to know this whole thing?
No.
Do not. That's like when you get up there, chemistry, like high school. So, yeah. It's okay. So, Gabriel, come on up here and show me where the proton would be. So, we're going to make some more elements here. So remember the number of protons and neutrons determines your number up here, but again, we learn about that later. There you go. And for every proton, you usually have a what?
Positive
Neutron. Yeah. Okay. So he just made, there you go. And how many could go on this one, truly?
2.
Okay, that's fine. So we just made hydrogen. So come on up here. Yes. Okay. Thank you. And it's Sean Calvin. And see what happens if we add another proton and neutron. And what did we just make? Helium. And if you want to add an electron to this ring, that ring is full. And it's a neutral atom because we have 2 electrons and 2 protons. Let's see here. It's not going to take her out. Dominic. Yes.
Is the reason why helium makes your voice higher is because it has less atoms? I mean, protons in it?
You know, I don't know. I'll look that up for you though. But it is not just a good.
If you add more, it makes oxygen, which is really something helium is higher.
So he just added an electron. Can we fit some more electrons on that orbit? Could if we wanted to. Okay, so come on up, Sean, to see what happened if we added a proton and another neutron. See what it would change to.
Proton.
We had proton, neutron. A proton. Proton. And we add another neutron. What did we just make? Okay. So, and you see it moving up here. So I just want to try to get the gist of that. You don't have to worry about right now what happens if it's unstable or stable. Like I said, it was too much. You'll learn about that later. So that's just the basic components. Protons, neutrons, electrons. Okay? So I'm going to hand out the sheet. We're going to fill this in together. They're going to pass it around. You're going to build a kind of Johnson. By the time you get to high school, it's going to be easy.
Miss Ward,
Because
we
you're taking
got
it slow.
we got 2 more.
2 more. Thank you. It's going to be like really easy. Jordan. And just take a look closer. Good action. Today, because the other players. Okay, what's happening?
Gabriel's back.
Okay, just put it on his desk. Just raise your hand, please. Okay, does everyone have one? You don't have one? Is it like in the we just came to the restaurant? Not right now. Does everyone have one? Okay. We just came from the restaurant. Okay. So let's go over this one here. I'll push it up there. I'm pushing it up. Okay, so number 1 reads, well, read the statement for me, please, which is true or false. Sean.
Protons have a negative charge.
Is that true or false? We're going to do this in class.
False.
Okay.
False.
False. the proton have?
Positive.
Yes. Protons. Positive. Okay, so number 2, could you read that for me, please? Devin just said that. True.
Atoms are bigger than neutrons.
Is that true or false, guys?
True.
Atoms are bigger than neutrons.
It's true.
It's true.
Yeah. Okay, raise your hand if you think it's true.
Oh, yes.
Raise your hand if you think it's false. Okay, I'm sorry. Raise your hand if you think it's true. Raise your hand if you think it's false. Okay, so let's look at it, guys. You just have to read it. So this whole thing is the atom. So do you think the electron protons will be bigger than this whole atom? No. So the answer is true. Because that means that the neutrons will overpower the atom. So imagine how small the neutrons are if the atom is like teeny, teeny, tiny, like you can't even cut it anymore. Okay, so that's true. All right, number 3. Lincoln.
Protons and electrons are part of the neutrons.
Is that true or false, guys?
False.
Protons and electrons are part of the nucleus.
No, false.
Electrons are
What's part of the nucleus?
The neutrons.
Yeah, so make sure you cross that out and put neutrons. Neutrons. So protons and neutrons are part of the nucleus. All right, number 4. This Jayla.
Protons have a positive charge.
Is that true or false?
False.
Electrons have a what charge?
Negative. No.
That's a minute. No, that wasn't no. Okay. Jasmine. Yeah.
True or false? Electrons are not a part of the
Nucleus. Is that true or false, guys?
True.
Where are these electrons?
on the outer rings.
On the rings, on those the electronic orbits. Yes. Okay. For number 6, A and B.
Protons are better than neutrons.
Is that true or false?
False.
False. How can I make that a true statement?
Protons are smaller.
Smaller. Yes. Not here. Oh, that's not Amaya. Number 7.
Neutrons have a negative charge.
Is that true or false?
False.
Neutrons have a what?
Neutral.
Neutral.
So cross out the negative and write in neutral. Okay. Last but not least, I don't have any more sticks to pull. Just the first hand. True or false?
Wait, I didn't.
You didn't do one? Go ahead, Jordan.
I didn't either.
It's okay. We have more stuff just to do.
True or false? A neutron orbits the nucleus. No.
That's false. What orbits the nucleus, guys?
The electron.
Y'all were ready for this quiz on Wednesday, huh?
Wait,
We have another one.
so there's no
Yeah, okay, guys. Does everyone have these answers copied? right, open up to your notes to the Addams family story. Without talking. Yes, Jordan. All right, yes, put this in your folder. All right, and then open up to your Addams family story. Okay. Does everyone have to open to the Addams family story?
Yeah.
Lincoln? Did you raise your hand? Okay. So, it reads, the Addams family story. In the center of Matterville, there's a place called the Nucleus Arcade, where two members of the Addams family like to hang out. Perky Patty, Proton, like her sisters, is quite large with a huge smile and eyes that sparkle. Patty is always happy and has a very positive personality. Now Nerdy Nell, the neutron, is like Patty, but she has a boring, flat mouth and eyes with zero expression, and her family is very apathetic and neutral about everything. Patty, Nelda, and their sisters spent all their time in the arcade. So y'all already saw Patty. And y'all saw Patty Proton and Nelda Neutron yesterday. So, around the Nucleus Arcade, you'll find a series of road raids that are used by another member of the Addams family. That's a large Elliott Electron. Elliott races around madly around the arcade with his bright red chrome-plated Harley Davidson. He rides so fast that no one can be sure where he is at any time. We're not even on the song. Elliott is much smaller than Patty, and Nelda is always angry because these bigger relatives will not let him in the arcade. He has a frown on his face. His eyes are squinted with anger, and he has a very negative attitude. The first entry street can only hold how many?
18.
The first entry street right here.
No, 2.
2. All right, how about the second freeway? Can hold how many?
8.
And the third energy street, called the Energy Superhighway, can hold how many?
18.
All right. So the morale of Matterville is stable as long as each negative electron brother is balanced by one positive proton sister. The number of residents in Matterville depends on the proton and neutron family. So the challenge question, I don't know if y'all been listening yesterday.
We did.
That's a minute for both of y'all, because we y'all didn't have the story open. Okay, so what would happen to the morale of Matterville if one Elliott electron was kidnapped? So what would happen?
It would be
Thank you for raising your hand, Jordan.
It would be a positive sign
And why is that?
because it would be there would only be 3 of Elliott's
And protons and 4 protons.
and there would be
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so it says what would happen to the morale of Matterville if one Elliott electron moves to Matterville? Yes, go ahead, Jeff.
It's a negative charge because there's only 3 protons and 4.
Yeah, so 4 protons and 5.
5.
Yes, you got it. So yeah, so we made it to the song, guys. Did y'all practice the song yesterday? Okay, so we're gonna follow along to the song. We're on the other side here. Okay. So let's go. I'm gonna sing it for you all the first time. And then we're gonna sing it as one big choir. The other class was able to do it without music. Third time, pretty good. Okay, so they're tiny and they're teeny, but smaller than a beanie. They never can be seen. The Addams Family. Together they make gases and liquids like molasses and all the solid masses. The Addams Family. Neutrons can't be found where protons hang around. Electrons they surround. The Addams Family. They're so small. They're like foam. They make up air. They're everywhere. Can't see them all. Y'all could did snap with me, dang. Y'all really left me hanging. Help us to do the snap with me. They're so round. They're round like a ball. They make up air. They're everywhere. Can't see them all. Now let's see. I saw some of y'all smiling and laughing. Hold on. Let's see if y'all can do it. All right, first one, let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
They're tiny and they're teeny, they're smaller than a beanie. They never can be seen. The Addams Family. Together they make gases and liquids like molasses and all the solid masses. The Addams Family. Neutrons can be found where protons hang around. Electrons they surround. The Addams Family. They're small. They're like a ball.
I'm about to fire y'all the choir. Hold on, let's try that again. Hold on, we gotta get quiet together. All right, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
They're tiny and they're teeny, but smaller than a beanie. They never can be seen. The Addams Family. Together they make gases and liquids like molasses and all the solid masses. The Addams Family. Neutrons can be found where protons hang around. Electrons they surround. The Addams Family.
They're so
Small. They're like a ball. They make up air everywhere. They use them all.
I guess y'all did all right. I give y'all a 9.5.
I never thought it.
That look a 9.5. Y'all did well. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time for the road, then we're moving on. Because I feel like y'all are ready for this quiz. Okay, one more time, guys. See if we get y'all to a 10. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
They're tiny and they're teeny, but smaller than a beanie. They never can be seen. The Addams Family. Together they make gases and liquids like molasses and all the solid masses. The Addams Family. Neutrons can be found where protons hang around. Electrons they surround. The Addams Family. They're so small. They're like a ball. They make up air. They're everywhere. Can't see them all.
Congratulations, y'all have moved to a 10.
We have not.
Hmm?
Why not 11?
You said not 11, it's a 1 to 10 scale. I guess y'all can join my choir. Okay, guys. Okay, so just quick review. So protons and neutrons are where?
In the nucleus.
Okay, and electrons are where?
On their surroundings.
They're where? Electrons are where?
Surrounding
The nucleus. And how many can go on the first ring?
2.
How many can go on that second ring?
8.
I don't know if y'all know this one. That's a challenge. How many can go on that third one?
18.
What's 132?
Good job, guys.
28.
Well, that is it. So then, I mean, your quiz on Wednesday is really on matter. So, Your quiz on Wednesday is on matter. So what is matter?
Matter is something that has a shape.
Okay. What are the phases of matter?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Okay. And solids are how the molecules move in a solid.
They vibrate, and they just move back and forth.
And the liquid?
They're more spaced out and they slide past each other.
Okay, what about the gas?
They're spread out and they go very fast. They go very fast.
Okay. I just came over here just to say y'all this 5 minutes. Okay. All right. Put those away and pull out your. Did y'all get paragraph edit?
DLR. It's DLR.
DLR.
Oh, we had it way.
Let's see what we're doing next.